Fewer homes are active or coming soon since last week. However, new contracts in sold properties are up. There are currently 1,682 homes for lease in Maryland, with 247 new to the market since last week, and 67 are coming soon. It's the day after Thanksgiving, Friday, November 27th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. There are 655 homes listed this past week as coming soon. 1,213 are newly active. 726 homes went under contract. 1,164 moved to pending. 1,843 homes settled since last week, priced from $18,700 in Baltimore City to Chevy Chase for $2,750,000. Forecasts indicate the interest rate will remain low going into next year, providing buyers continued opportunities. The spring market starts in our area around January 15th. Should winter be mild, buyer activity may continue at the current pace. This means the seller's market will likely continue into the early part of the year. So, if you're thinking about selling, don't wait for the late spring, April or May. Give me a call at 443-837-5645 to find out how to best position your home for today's market. Also, be sure to follow us on social media or subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Maryland's real estate. That's it for Friday, November 27th. Enjoy your Thanksgiving weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.